Hi guys, I'm Nikki Lee. I am an ambassador with Epic Trading, and I'm going to show you today how to get paid, how to take your money out of your e-wallet and transfer it over to your bank. So what you need to do is log in to your back office. It'll look exactly like this. And when you go to the right and click on that little box, of course you have to log in. And you'll see on the right-hand side, it says commission balance. You're gonna go ahead and click that just to see what you got paid. As you can see here, I was paid. There is a pay quicker fee of $5, so keep that into consideration. And once you see that it's there, what you're gonna do is, if you look on the left-hand side where the tabs are, it says withdraw funds. You're gonna click on the withdraw funds, and when you do so, you're going to see here a total balance and your available balance. Now, remember, they're gonna hold back your next month fee, okay? So, for example, if you have 125 in there, you will not be able to take the 125 because they actually hold it for next month, which is a really cool feature. That way you don't have to worry about paying it. So they do hold it behind. Let's say you have $500. Then what they'll do is they'll take the 125 and they'll hold it for you for the next month, and you can take out the remainder balance. Now, when you request an amount, make sure that you account for that pay quicker $5 fee. So if you have 120, make sure that you put 115 because, again, $5 to take it out. Once you put the amount there that the available balance is, then you're going to hit request funds. Once you do so, for the very first time, if this is your absolute first time, you're gonna go over to your email and you're actually gonna check the email, and it's going to give you an email that is exactly like this. This is my email, and it says, welcome, you received a payment for $370 from Epic Travel. To access your payment, please set up your Epic Trading International LLC account using the following link. And you're going to click this create new user. Very simple. Okay, and then make sure that you read fine print and you pay attention to all the detail, okay? Right here, I'm gonna put me. I'm gonna go through mine, and my name is Nicole, and the last name is Nikki Lee. Most of you guys know me for Nikki Lee. And your email address will already be in there, as well as your independent business owner ID number. And then you're gonna create a password, and I'll go ahead and create mine. And you can see mine, of course. I'm gonna go ahead and change mine, but just make sure that you can see that. And then you're gonna create a username and a password, okay? And really important to make sure that you follow the instructions, that it says a lowercase letter, an uppercase letter, and a non-alphanumeric character, okay? So make sure that you do that. So create a username. Can write whatever you want. I'm Eva Nikki Lee, right? So write whatever you want. And then your password, make sure that you guys keep your password and a password saver, or keep it somewhere nice and secure so you don't forget, because that's where your money is, right? And then click next, and then we're gonna continue to go forward. And then here, we're gonna put my personal information in there. Let's see, so I'm gonna put my birth date. Be careful, make sure you guys put the correct information in there. Super, super careful. Take your time. And then your time zone, your gender, and then you're gonna put your phone number and your mobile phone number, so just put the same one. And both fields are required. So you're gonna put primary phone and mobile phone, same number, right? And then the address. For me, it is gonna be US. and make sure that you're really careful with the address and it matches because it's difficult to change it. Important, your prepaid card is mailed here. So make sure that you click, this is where your prepaid card is going to be mailed. Okay, so you're gonna go ahead and click the next button here. And make sure that everything's verified. Just kind of look down. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to look down at everything, make sure that everything's my information, make sure I didn't make any mistakes. And then I'm going to click yes. So that's kind of the second time you're confirming it. And then you're going to, the terms and conditions. In order to finalize your enrollment, you must view and consent to each agreement below prior to opening your account. Simply click the agreement. The first one is the privacy policy. Okay, so you're gonna go ahead and read this, right? Just make sure you read it carefully, right? And you're gonna go ahead and hit agree. The next one is I agree to the latest terms and use, and you can print these as well. You can also save those. Great to refer back to. I agree to the latest privacy policy. You're gonna do all of that. So there's, looks like there's 6 here. Cardholder agreement. Okay, and this looks like this is all of the fees associated with the card. So you're gonna go ahead and click that. And then at the end, you're gonna click agree at the end. Now it says email verification required. Follow the instructions in the verify email address email that we sent you to continue the new account registration process. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go back to our emails and we're gonna go to new mail. And we'll give it a few minutes. It says new account verification. And then we're gonna click here to verify our email address. And then we're gonna use the email address verification. And then verify. Success. Now it says log into my account. Now we can go ahead and log into the account. And as you can see, it says the username and the password. You can preset it if you like. Now, here is the secure your account with 2-step verification. So we can do the 2-step verification. Make sure you read everything really carefully. So the 2-step verification adds an extra level of security to your account by requiring both your password and verification. You can do this if you wish. If not, just go ahead and hit skip. That's like extra protection. Okay, and then here is your login. So as you can see, now me personally, I like to check every single link inside something. That way I know where everything is. That way I can help others, right? So this is the home, this is transfer money. As you can see, it has send instant payment to your bank or from a bank, send a paper check, and then it has account, it has all of the account information, and then use my virtual card. Okay, so if you want to use the virtual card, you're just going to click this here, and then it says show virtual card to use immediately for online purchases, print or record your card number. And I'm not going to do that because then you guys will see my card. So that's where that is. Everything is here that you need. Transfer money to your bank. You're going to go ahead and click that. And then as you can see, you can add all of your bank account here. That way it will go straight to your bank, and then you can click all of that information there. And then once you do that, it will come back and then it will ask you which bank that you want to send that to. And you can also use your virtual card up here. It will give you the balance. And that's pretty much it. And then you're going to just transfer it over to your bank if you wish. You'll have a virtual card, and then you'll also have your card in hand that will be sent to your address. And I would allow 1 to 2 weeks to get that card in the mail. And then voila, you'll be able to be paid. But this is absolutely the easiest system that you guys will ever use getting paid. It's super, super fast. And you know, it's has some really cool features. So make sure that you click on everything. And I hope you guys like this video. Go ahead and like the video and share it with others just to help everyone. But thank you so much for watching, guys. I appreciate it. Have a great day.